Hello, in this video I'm explaining how to answer complete square method. So the first step, when you're solving a quadratic using complete square method, you have to divide through by a if a is not equal to 1, so that the coefficient of x squared is 1. So it's easier to solve a question when your coefficient of x squared is 1. The next step, you have to take c to the right side of the equal sign, so that your equation changes to x squared plus bx is equal to c. Step 3, you have to add both sides by b over 2 squared. Then, after adding both sides by b over 2, you are going to have x squared plus bx plus b over 2 squared is equal to c plus b over 2 squared. So when you look at the left side, automatically you can factorize it by saying x plus b over 2 squared then is equal to c plus b over 2 squared. Then it's easy to solve for x. They just make x subject to a formula. So we're going to do the practical examples so that it's easier for everyone to understand. We have an example here using the complete square. We're going to say our a is 1, our b is 4, our c is also 4. Next step, we say x squared plus 4x. The 4 will cross the equal sign, becomes negative 4. Then we're going to add b squared over 2 both sides. So 4x plus b squared over 2, that's 4 over 2 squared, even the other side, negative 4, plus b squared over 2, 4 over 2 squared. So automatically here we factorize, becomes x plus 2. So how do you know that? Because it's x plus b over 2. b is 4 over 2. Then everything squared. That side, it gives us a 0. So we'll reach this part. What you do is you square both sides. Square root of that, square root of 0. So square root of this gives us x plus 2 equals 0. So our x is negative 2. Okay, we can go to another example. We have x squared minus 3x minus 10 equal to 0. So now, since we're familiar with the a, the b, and the c, we can go direct. X squared minus 3x. Your first step, you take the constant to the right hand side to be 10. Then you add both sides by b over 2 squared. So remember, our b is negative 3 over 2 squared. Then on the right side also have plus negative 3 over 2 squared. Here automatically you factorize, becomes x plus b over 2, which is 3 over 2 squared. This side we have 12.25. So you square both sides. Once you square both sides, you are going to have x plus 3 over 2, then square root 12.25. It's either you have the positive number or the negative number. So it's positive or negative 3.5. So you get the positive number. The positive 3.5, you get x is equal to 2. Or you get the negative number. You have x plus 3 over 2 is equal to negative 3.5. Final answer is negative 5. So those are the two values of x that are going to satisfy the equation. Always remember, when you say square root 4, it's either it's positive 2 or negative 2. So every time you square a number, there are two possibilities. It's either the value of x was negative or the value of x was positive. So once you do square root of any number, you say positive or negative, the answer. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.